Did you know you can make meatballs in the air fryer? It's very simple to do. So let's make a batch, shall we? To make these, we're going to need these meatballs in our air fryer. That is all we're going to need for it. We are going to preheat our air fryer for 350 degrees for 8 minutes before we put our meatballs in the air fryer. Once our air fryer is up to temperature, we will put in our meatballs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Just trying to figure out how many we want to make. 6 is a serving. 2 more. These are Italian seasoned meatballs, so extra flavors. Halfway through, we're going to check them and shake them. Or making sure they're not sticking. And then put them back in for 4 minutes. After 8 minutes, this is how our meatballs came out. See, they're not sticking. As you can see, they are not sticking, so they are good to go.